Hello there, I'm here with Lisa, and Lisa is going to be trying this dermal green tea collagen essence mask right here. Get the camera to focus for you. Focus. I'll see if I can find this online. If I can, I'll put a link below. If I can't, I'll see if I can find a comparative product. A link. What, you want to look at it?
Read it and see what's...
Supposed to make your stuff feel all nice and smooth and yummy.
You gently apply the mask around the eye part, and then fit your face to the contours. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes.
So this will be a 15 to 20 minute adventure. The mask looks like, yeah, it's pretty easy to understand how it's folded up. So unfolding is, go ahead and lean your head back. Probably be the best bet. Okay, so got it upside down. We're getting now. Oh my, look at the nose flap. Alright. They said do the eyes first, huh? Well, I say phooey on that. Alright. It's nice and cool. How does it feel so far?
It's cold.
Cold. Good. That means it's working. It's freezing up all your blood vessels.
Oh my.
Just kidding. It doesn't actually do that. Alright.
My right eye is a little high, I think. That's my left eye. This one is a little high.
It's okay.
Yeah, what's going on?
It's not touching your eye, so you're okay. Yeah, you're fine. Alright, we will be back in about 15 minutes. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Lisa, go ahead. You can pull it off now. Does it say to rub it into your skin or anything?
Yeah, afterwards, the extra.
So how did it feel?
Yeah, it felt good. It didn't connect in a lot of places, like on my mustache and chin.
Echo, stop timer. Oh, go stop that.
Yeah.
Keep talking to them about that.
But yeah, it feels good. It feels refreshing. Yeah, I mean, it got it good on the forehead and cheeks and everything.
And your nose, maybe, or?
Yeah, a little bit on my nose. Yeah, I can feel it there.
Yeah. Would you do that one again?
I'd try a different one.
You try a different one.
Yeah, it was okay.
Alrighty.
I'm not a fan of green tea either, so that's...
How did it smell?
That's what I was saying. I'm just smelling a bunch of green tea.
Here, let me smell.
I'm not a fan of green tea.
Oh yeah, definitely. Definitely has
so that's why I
a
wouldn't want to do it again.
very green tea forward smell.
Yeah.
But, yeah. Well, thank you for trying it out for us. And give us your thoughts. And we'll see you in the next one. And bye.